Welcome to the battery shop. Today we'll show you how to replace the auxiliary battery in this 2025 Chrysler Pacifica. Let's get started. The first step is to remove the air intake by pulling up on each corner. Then unvelcro the heat blanket and fold it off to the side. Remove the fastener for the negative battery cable. And then remove the negative battery cable and set it off to the side. And then remove the fastener for the positive battery cable. Remove the fastener for the battery hold down. Then remove the battery hold down and set it off to the side. Then remove the positive battery cable and set it off to the side. Now you can remove the old battery and install the new battery. Next, reinstall the positive battery cable on the battery's positive terminal. Then reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket and tighten the fastener. Then tighten the fastener onto the positive battery terminal and reinstall the cap. Then reinstall the negative battery cable on the battery's negative terminal and tighten the fastener. Then reinstall the battery's heat blanket. Finally, reinstall the air intake. And we're done.